Looking for a mirrorless camera that delivers sharp photos and smooth video without stretching your budget? In this top 7, we've picked affordable options for beginners, creators, and everyday photographers. Updated buying links are in the description. Starting our ranking at number 7 is the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, a full-frame mirrorless camera aimed at photographers and video creators who want professional results without stepping into flagship pricing. Its 24.2 megapixel sensor delivers detailed images, natural colors, and strong low-light performance, making it equally useful for portraits, weddings, travel, sports, and everyday content creation. One of its biggest advantages is speed. The camera can capture fast bursts, while its intelligent autofocus tracks people, animals, and vehicles, helping you keep moving subjects sharp instead of losing the moment. Video performance is another major strength, with high-quality 4K recording that gives creators plenty of detail for YouTube videos, interviews, events, and commercial projects. Built-in image stabilization also makes handheld footage smoother and reduces camera shake when shooting photos in difficult lighting. This package includes the versatile 24 to 105mm lens, covering everything from wide landscapes and group shots to flattering portraits and closer details without constantly changing lenses. The fully articulating screen is convenient for filming yourself, working at unusual angles, or checking composition from in front of the camera. At around $2,399, it is not the cheapest option here, but its speed, reliability, flexible lens, and balanced photo and video performance justify its place for serious hybrid creators. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe. We post similar content every day. Taking the 6th spot is the Nikon Z52 2-lens kit, a practical choice for anyone who wants to explore photography, video, and travel content without buying extra lenses immediately. Its 20.9 megapixel sensor produces sharp images with pleasing colors, while the intelligent autofocus recognizes people, animals, and other moving subjects, making it easier to capture children, pets, street scenes, or sporting moments before they disappear. The compact 16 to 50mm lens is ideal for everyday shooting, from landscapes and family photos to vlogs and indoor content. When you need more reach, the included 50 to 250mm lens lets you photograph wildlife, distant details, outdoor sports, and candid portraits without getting close to your subject. Video creators can record detailed 4K footage, experiment with slow motion, and use the fully articulating screen to frame themselves comfortably. Nikon also includes creative picture controls that help beginners achieve an attractive look without spending hours editing afterward. The body remains lightweight enough for day trips, vacations, or long shooting sessions, although it does not offer the low-light advantages of a full-frame model. At around $1,396.95, this package stands out because it covers an unusually broad focal range straight from the box, making it a flexible and convenient option for beginners who want room to grow. Coming in at number 5 is the Fujifilm X106, a camera designed for people who value simplicity, portability, and beautiful results without carrying a bag full of lenses. Its fixed 23mm lens gives you a natural, versatile perspective that works especially well for street photography, travel, everyday moments, food, and environmental portraits. The 40.2 megapixel sensor captures impressive detail, so you have more freedom to crop an image later without immediately losing quality. Built-in stabilization is another welcome upgrade, helping you get sharper handheld photos in dim restaurants, evening streets, or indoor spaces where using a tripod would be inconvenient. Fujifilm's film simulations also let you create attractive colors and distinctive moods directly in the camera, which is perfect for anyone who prefers shooting over spending hours editing. The hybrid viewfinder makes the experience feel more traditional while still giving you the convenience of a modern electronic display. It can also record detailed video up to 6.2K, although its fixed lens and compact design make it better suited to spontaneous clips than advanced productions. This bundle includes useful extras such as a memory card, carrying case, spare battery, cleaning accessories, and a small tripod so you can start shooting right away. At around $2,249, it is undeniably expensive for a fixed-lens camera, but its image quality, compact body stabilization, and enjoyable shooting experience earn it 5th place. At number 4, the Canon EOS R10 is a strong entry point for anyone ready to move beyond smartphone photography without taking on a large, complicated camera. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor captures crisp detail and attractive color, giving family photos, travel scenes, portraits, and social media content a noticeably more polished look. Where it becomes especially useful is speed. The fast autofocus can recognize and follow people, animals, and vehicles, while continuous shooting at up to 15 frames per second helps you catch expressions, pets, sports, or action that slower cameras may miss. The included 18 to 45mm lens is compact and versatile enough for daily use, covering wide shots, group photos, casual portraits, and handheld video without adding much weight to your bag. Creators also get detailed 4K recording and a fully articulating touchscreen, making it easier to film yourself, vlog, or compose shots from awkward angles. There is no built-in body stabilization, so smoother walking footage may require a stabilized lens or tripod, but that is a reasonable compromise in this category. At around $1,249, the EOS R10 earns 4th place by combining approachable controls, excellent autofocus, quick performance, and plenty of room to grow into more advanced photography. Remember that all the links are in the description. You can compare prices and read customer reviews. Moving into the top 3, the Sony Alpha A6400 is the kind of camera that makes sense for creators who want strong performance without carrying a heavy setup or paying full-frame prices. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor delivers clean, detailed photos with enough flexibility for travel, portraits, products, family moments, and social media work. The real advantage, though, is its fast autofocus and reliable subject tracking. Whether you're photographing a child running around, filming yourself, or capturing a busy street scene, it helps keep the important part of the frame sharp with less effort. The included 16 to 50mm lens keeps the package compact and covers the everyday range most beginners actually use, from wide indoor shots and landscapes to casual portraits. For video, the A6400 records detailed 4K footage, while the screen flips upward so you can check your framing when vlogging or recording alone. It can also shoot up to 11 frames per second, which is useful for action, pets, and spontaneous moments. There is no in-body stabilization, and the small battery may encourage you to carry a spare, but neither issue takes away from its overall value. At around $811, the Sony A6400 earns 3rd place by offering dependable autofocus, excellent image quality, and genuine versatility in a compact camera that beginners can learn quickly and experienced users can still enjoy. In 2nd place, we have the DJI Osmo Action 6, a completely different option from the traditional mirrorless cameras in this ranking, but one that could be far more practical for travelers, athletes, and creators who film on the move. Its compact, rugged body can go places where a larger camera would feel inconvenient or risky, whether you are cycling, skiing, hiking, swimming, or recording a busy family trip. The variable f2.0 to f4.0 aperture adapts to different lighting conditions, helping produce clearer footage during bright afternoons, indoor scenes, and evening adventures. It can capture high-resolution 8K video, giving you detailed clips with extra flexibility for cropping and reframing during editing. Stabilization's especially important here because it keeps handheld and mounted footage looking controlled even when the camera is constantly moving. This bundle also adds a 64GB memory card and a large accessory kit with mounts, straps, a tripod, and other useful pieces, so you can attach the camera to helmets, bikes, cars, or your body without shopping for everything separately. Naturally, it cannot replace a mirrorless model for interchangeable lenses, portraits, or serious photography. However, at around $566, it earns 2nd place as a convenient all-in-one package for capturing adventures with minimal setup and much less equipment. And taking the #1 spot is the Canon EOS R50, the most balanced choice in this ranking for beginners, travelers, and content creators who want a capable mirrorless camera without paying professional-level prices. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor gives photos noticeably more detail, depth, and natural color than a typical smartphone, while Canon's intelligent autofocus can recognize and follow people, animals, and vehicles, making sharp results much easier even when the subject refuses to stay still. The included 18 to 45mm lens covers the situations most users face every day, from landscapes and group photos to casual portraits, product shots, and handheld video. For creators, the fully rotating touchscreen makes self-recording and unusual camera angles simple, while oversampled 4K video produces clean, detailed footage for YouTube, social media, interviews, or travel films. The body is compact and lightweight, so it is realistic to carry regularly instead of leaving it at home because your camera bag feels too heavy. It does not include in-body stabilization, and more demanding users may eventually want a brighter lens, but those are understandable compromises at this level. At around $849, the EOS R50 offers the strongest combination of image quality, autofocus, portability, ease of use, and future upgrade potential, which is exactly why it earns first place as the safest recommendation for most buyers.